Stomach 12 is located just above the middle of the collarbone. To locate stomach 12 on your left side, locate both ends of your collarbone. Here and here. Then find the midpoint, which is right about here. Now find the spot that is just above your collarbone. Press in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 12. Activate this point by rubbing it quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate and activate stomach 12 on your right side.